In this video, I'm going to solve this question. In how many different ways can 3 women and 4 men sit in a line if the women always sit together? Well, we have already done this type of question. The difference is that earlier we worked with letters and now in this question we are working with men and women. So we are given that we have 3 women. So let's write these 3 women as W1, W2 and W3, and we have 4 men. So let's write these 4 men as M1, M2, M3 and M4. Now this is the condition that we have to satisfy. So we have to make sure that the women always sit together. So that means these 3 women should always sit together. As you know, our first step in this case would be to combine these 3 women and treat them as one element. So if I treat these 3 women as one element, so that means now I have 5 different elements. This is my first element, second element, third element, fourth element and fifth element. And these are 5 different elements. So that means I can arrange these 5 elements in 5 factorial ways. But once again, this is not the final answer and we have to do one additional step here. So first of all, let's have a look at the arrangements that are included in 5 factorial. So 5 factorial includes arrangements like M1 and then let's say we have W1, W2, W3 combined, M3, M4, M2. This is one of the possible arrangements that is covered in 5 factorial. Other possible arrangement could be M4, M2, M3, W1, W2, W3 and M1. So this is another possible arrangement that is covered in 5 factorial and so on. Now the additional step that we have to do is we have to consider the possibility that these 3 women can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. So instead of writing W1, W2, W3 here, I could have written W3, W1, W2 and so on. So to take into account these type of possibilities as well, we multiply 5 factorial by 3 factorial. And this is the final answer. I hope you have understood this well. Actually, this question was quite simple. The reason I have shown you this question is because earlier we worked with different letters and I wanted to bring home the idea that instead of different letters, you could be given men and women or let's say something else. And irrespective of what is given to you, you can proceed these type of questions in this particular manner. So this is all for this question.